Welcome back to the Deep Dive. So today we're looking at some sources from Blood Test UK, and we're going to get really specific.
We are.
We're focusing on a special health check for mothers-to-be, the beta HCG blood test. And we're going to ground this right in the UK, specifically in Crosby.
That's it. We're really just unpacking how these pregnancy blood tests work and, why they're so much better than other tests.
Right.
And how they help families right from the very, very beginning. We're going to hit the biggest benefits.
So we're looking for a simple guide, really. How this one fast, accurate check helps keep mums and babies healthy in Crosby.
Exactly.
Okay, so let's start at the beginning. What is this test in, the simplest terms possible? What is it actually looking for?
Well, it's actually pretty amazing. It measures a tiny hormone called HCG.
HCG?
Yeah, and it's a hormone that only shows up in the blood right after a baby starts to grow.
So it's a very clear sign.
A very clear, very early sign. And the key benefit here is that a blood test gives a fast and really accurate answer, sometimes just days after conception.
Days. That's so much earlier than other methods.
It really is. And for anyone in the Crosby area, we're talking about getting results from NHS clinics in, just 1 or 2 days?
That speed must be a huge help for getting care started.
It's critical, and that leads right into the big benefits for the mother's health. These tests are about so much more than just a yes or no.
Okay.
They help doctors monitor everything. They can look for potential problems like anemia, when you don't have enough healthy red blood cells.
Right, which would need iron supplements and things like that.
Exactly. Or they can spot early signs of gestational diabetes, which is a sugar issue that can start during pregnancy.
And these are all part of the routine NHS care over there.
They are. The checks help doctors plan the best care right from the get-go. And as Blood Test UK points out, that kind of continuous monitoring just gets so much peace of mind.
So it's not just about confirmation, it's about screening and safety from day one.
Absolutely.
The sources we looked at kind of described it as a super tool because that one blood test checks for so much more.
It really is a super tool. It can be used to screen for certain genetic conditions, things like Down syndrome or cystic fibrosis.
Wow.
And infections too.
So what's the long-term advantage for a family in finding that out so early?
Well, it's about preparation. Finding this information early lets families in Crosby access local counseling and specialized support resources through the NHS.
Which helps them make informed decisions and just prepare.
Exactly. It's about having time and support. And it's important to remember the procedure itself is so simple.
How simple are we talking?
It's just a few minutes, a small blood sample, maybe 5 to 10 milliliters. It's incredibly safe with, very minor risks like a tiny bit of bruising.
So boiling it all down, what does this actually mean for you if you're listening?
It means that getting a blood test early, say around 10 days after you think you might have conceived.
That's the key.
That is the key to getting the right care right away, especially when you're using those fantastic integrated NHS services available right there in the Crosby area.
It's really about using that speed and accuracy to manage your health from the very start.
Yeah. And there's one more thing. We know from the research that Blood Test UK shared that getting reliable results quickly really helps lower anxiety.
No, I can imagine.
So if knowing your results supports your emotional well-being that much, it kind of raises a question, doesn't it?
Go on.
For you listening, what simple thing could you add to your prenatal preparation today? Something to protect your mental health even before you get the test.